All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the high-end winner's choice number 4. So we'll check the time, October 17th at 8:11 p.m. We're going to go over to the... Oops, I lost my list here. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have October 17th at 8:12 p.m. We have 8:12 p.m. There is the list of our 50 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. Let me fill in these dollar signs here. Hold on one second. There's one. Okay, so we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Alan. Spot 42 is your winner. So, Alan, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, October 17th, 8:12 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.